Okay, this survival thought would be about advice or whatever. Now, as you notice, I'm in my living room. This is where I used to film a lot. So yeah, I'm doing a kit with this. I swear to God, it's not insect like that's in there. One thing I do put into a kit like this is some Imodium AD. Now, as you see, it is Imodium AD. I put the good stuff, you know. Isn't the saying diarrhea doesn't care where you are when it happens? Yeah. Second thing I have in here is a razor blade. Obvious reasons. And a decent little button compass I got from the UST survival kit. It's actually very accurate. Because what I'm facing is east, behind me is west, north is this way, south is that way. Now, I'm making this into a general purpose, so yeah. Also, another option for medicine would be the tube of like Tylenol or Advil, because after you get done with it, you can make this into a smaller kit in itself. Now, for if you're in a budget situation, you're at a Dollar Tree or a dollar store, and you happen to see it, sometimes I recommend. It's not gonna last long, but a slingshot, yeah. It works pretty good. I have another one I've tested. I meant to do a video about this earlier, but yeah, I mean like a month ago. But yeah, it's a basic toy slingshot. But guess what? Something is better than nothing. This is especially if you all use your snail wire, which I should actually put a snail wire into that kit too. But it's a general purpose, so yeah, whatever. Now, something I recommend that people don't usually put into kits: portable batteries slash power banks slash whatever. I actually recommend Walmart's brand because I've used these and they have not screwed up my phone at all. So yeah, when I wouldn't actually use is the thing. If it says power bank, it's cheap. Do not trust it. I only have this as a keychain anyway to go with my little light. Also, advice for like when it's storming: have power banks near you, have flashlights near you, have whatever you need near you. If you're on your bed, keep all that stuff near you. Okay? Because that's going to help. Now, you don't have to do a full kit, honestly. Honestly, if it gets cold and I do need to, definitely have hot hands. Yes, you can put these into like near you, you know? And yeah, also the process of my SAS Survival Handbook first kit. I have the razor. Oh, I forgot to show y'all. Is it over here or over there? Oh god, I can't remember. It's probably over there, which I can go get real quick since I'm in the living room, literally. And it's like, yeah. Is it? No, I don't think it's in here. No, it's here somewhere. I swear to God. Oh God, where is? Oh God, did I put it? Where? Oh God, I put it. Ah. Anyway, I'm just gonna say this, and once we find it after the video, just watch. Just watch. I know it's on my bed somewhere. So I have like a little thing or whatever. Anyway, it's one of those art knives. It's the shape of. It's basically a smaller shape of the surgical blades he recommends. It's like that. Wait. It's like that. What the crap? It's like a surgical blade anyway. And it comes with a handle too. It's a art knife. I can use it for like if I have to like get something out, or if I'm use it for anything really. And I got it at Dollar General. Surprisingly, I got it at Dollar General. And yeah, I'm happy. Yeah, because I have something I can use if need be for, you know, gutting fish or what have you, or whatever I need for. So yeah. Now I didn't get to go to town today, but I was gonna get. I have stuff on the list I want to get. So yeah. Also, another thing I always carry with me, at least a small little sewing kit. Oh, what's funny? And I'm gonna quote the packaging. Okay. It says 10 of the most popular colors. What do you notice? What do you notice? Okay, so black, gray, royal blue, red, pink, golden, I guess, dark blue, brown, and 2 whites. How is one of these whites considered another color? As you can see, they're the same shade. But oh well, I have a white shirt on anyway. Huh. But yeah, another thing I recommend, honestly, would for your kit is something like this. This will help. That's a part of your hygiene also. So, yeah. Now, I know people are like, why would you recommend a power bank? That's something that I was thinking about, and I was like, well, if you do get to an area with a service, and let me just use this as an example. I have an offline survival manual on my kit on my phone. Now I'm gonna do this for dark. No, wait, how? Oh God, I do this? Yes. I want to use the night dark theme. Okay. I have an offline survival manual on here. You know. So if I have to use it, I can. Okay. So yeah. Now, when you do your own kit, a good advice I've gotten was, or that I've heard anyway, was do one according to the location you're at. So out here in the woods, I would have my hobo stove. Either way, I have my hobo stove. Always. Always. Because, you know, it's going to be an easier way to make a fire. You know? So say you're in a colder climate and it's winter and you have, I would actually build kits for each season and for each location. And like do one for a general purpose. I do go by the 10 C's. I don't go by 5 C's, I go by 10 C's. So guess what? Yeah. Now, a good little kit that has at least 7 of the C's, bare minimum. As well, Origin Survival Kit. I know you've seen this like 50 billion times. It's a pretty good little kit. Now, I'm going to do a scenario, okay? I'm going to turn off the light for a second. say it's getting a little dark, and I have this kit with me. First thing I'll do is get the little the little light, and ready to willing to, you know. That's me though. I would usually get this out, ready and willing to go, because guess what? A whistle, the knife, and by the way, 15 hours per battery for that. Decent life actually for a small little thing. Now, I'm gonna make a case for these little striker things right here. Okay, say your arm or your hand is incapacitated. If you have a ferro rod, you're gonna have to look at that and then why not just be able to do it with one hand? You know, that's why I put those in there. I do have I think it's the UST Sport. I think, oh God, it's the smaller UST one with the smaller thing. Yeah, so I'm probably gonna cut the cord off because it's like, you know. But no, I'm not, because that's gonna be good to have around my neck in case I have to have something like that. So yeah. So I'll go more in depth about kits. I do have one device though, one really good device. Because if you're gonna pay, you know, say $40-$50 for a knife or whatever, let it be a jackknife. Now, everyone who doesn't have seen the video, this is a Victorinox Evolution 23, and here's the thing about it. Not only are you going to get the knife, you're usually going to get a saw attachment. Because honestly, and it's a good little grip too, so you can like get, you know, wood and all that. Don't spend $50-$60 on a sheath knife. You can find a good one for like $20-$30 easily. Also, the reason I wanted this knife, a little magnifying glass type thing, to possibly do to make fire. This is my EDC, by the way, so it's in every kit, literally. It's a nice little knife, though. I think I paid $40 for it. Worth it, though. You know, it has a nice little grip, so you can do this. See that? So you can do like that and be comfortable. It's nice. That's my advice. If you pay $40-$60-$70 for a knife, let it be a jackknife with a saw attachment that's good and all that. It has all the accoutrements that you would expect, you know, from a Victorinox knife. Now, let me tell you, when you're like, okay, what should I put into the kit? You know? One thing I recommend is this. Yay, it's it. Yay. It's at least a bottle of hand sanitizer because it has multiple uses. Say like, okay, I don't have any Tinder with me because I use all my Tinder up. Huh. This has fire burning properties with it. Okay. Like a little bit. Use your sparker or lighter or whatever you have. You know. Also, I was looking for this last night too. Now, a folding stove. I'm wondering one thing with a folding stove. You know, would these unscented votives be good? What? I don't know. I do recommend a folding stove though too, because that is something that's going to help you. You know. Now, as I said, I've always said, make your own Tinder. You can, and honestly, the easiest Tinder to make, and I personally will always make, because it's quick to make, and it can be used for medical also, is cotton balls and Vaseline, or as I do, just store brand petroleum jelly. And it gotta be Vaseline, okay? I use a little dollar thing like that. So, it's not that hard. Another thing I would also carry is some, as I said, sandwich bags. Because one, sandwich in gallon bags, you know, so you get water and all this. I have, plenty of kits. But I've learned what to put in, what to not put in. It's called trial and error. Then when you first start, that's what you do. You do trial and error. I put every flippin' thing I had my first one. Yeah. But, yeah. So, I'm going to go more in depth on survival kits and such at a later date. So, yeah. Anyway, it's been JOK's MMO reviews and survival out. And as you see, I actually got to change the name to survival too. Anyway, peace.